Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel Smart Collections Plus. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will show you best curtain design ideas for kitchen. In this video you can see stylish kitchen curtain design ideas. Latest short window kitchen curtain designs. I hope you like these designs and this video. I will be glad if you appreciate my video by liking and sharing. Subscribe my channel for new updates and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload new video. Viewers, let's enjoy this video.